Kajabi lied. At the end of 2025, they told us that they would no longer be offering any monetary discounts on their subscription plans. Well, guess what? They just launched their best deal where you can get 50% off any of their plans. Now, before you roll your eyes and you click off this video, I want to give you the most recent info that's been going on with Kajabi and why I'm not actually that upset with them going back on their word. So back in late 2025, Kajabi made some significant changes. Their prices went up, the partner affiliate program was restructured, and we were told that monetary discounts were going to be going away. No more promotional pricing. So for a lot of people in the Kajabi community, that felt kind of like a rug pull from underneath us. You know, partners who had built their businesses around recommending Kajabi were pretty frustrated. Creators who were considering the platform started kind of looking elsewhere. And honestly, the reaction, it was pretty understandable. But then a big shift happened at the start of 2026. Kajabi's original co-founders, they returned to active leadership of the company. So Kenny Reeder came back as co-CEO alongside of Jonathan Cronstead, aka J-Cron. And with that came a pretty clear signal that the company was course correcting. They published a manifesto. They recommitted to their original customers, which are course creators, and they shifted away from using influencers to promote their products. Now, I want to be really clear about something. I am not here to tell you that everything is perfect. Kajabi still has bugs, still has its issues, and it does have things that need improvement. There is no platform that is without these issues. But what I can tell you is that the direction has changed. And I've definitely seen it firsthand. The product team, they are shipping things a lot faster. They have a 6-week development cycle now where we can actually see what they're working on and what's coming up. Automations, those have been significantly improved, with like branching logic and weight nodes. There's cohort functionality for coaching programs, and that's been added. The community product, it's getting regular updates. And now they aren't just promises given to us to make us think that they're growing. These are things that have actually already happened, and I have been part of it myself. Now, this 50% off promotion being back, this is part of that shift of them going back to their roots. It's Kajabi saying that they want to make it a lot easier for creators to get started building their online businesses. So even though Kajabi went back on their word, I understand what happened. And I know that companies as big as Kajabi, they can mess up just like you and I. And I believe that they are on a better track now, and I'm pretty happy to see that they brought back the 50% off promotion. Now, I know some of you are wondering whether it is worth trusting Kajabi again after everything that's happened. And I think that that is a pretty fair question. But here's how I think about it. If you want an all-in-one platform that lets you host courses, run a membership, manage your email marketing, build funnels, and process payments all in one place, Kajabi is still one of the strongest options out there. Those fundamentals have not changed. If you're worried about, bugs or reliability, I can understand that concern. But what I have seen from the creators and the clients in our community is that the improvements under the new leadership, they're real and they're happening faster than before. Is it perfect? No. But honestly, what platform is? What I can tell you, though, is that the people that I work with who are building serious businesses in Kajabi, they're not leaving, right? They're just adapting, they're optimizing things, and they're continuing to grow. And right now, getting in at 50% off is genuinely a smart entry point. Now, if you do decide to sign up for Kajabi during this promotional period and you use our partner link that's in the description of the video, we will save you a complimentary seat in our Kajabi Build Bootcamp that's coming up. Now, this bootcamp, it's where Malva and I will work with you live. We're going to get your Kajabi foundation set up the right way. Your branding, your domain, your payment processor, your checkout page, your email foundations, the things that actually need to be in place before you can start selling. We're going to build it together in real time in a small group, very intimate, so that you can ask questions as we go and you can get the support that's specific to you in your business. Now, the seats that we're reserving for this promo, they are limited and they are specifically for people who sign up through our link during this promotional window. So to get your free seat in the Bootcamp and 50% off Kajabi for an entire year, you are going to need to click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to our website with all of the details and a unique link on that page to sign up for Kajabi and get that 50% off deal with them. Choose your plan, complete your sign up with Kajabi, and then you're going to check your email. Okay, we're going to send you a coupon code to claim your Bootcamp seat. Pretty straightforward. But if you do have any questions while you're doing this setup, you can always just drop a comment here on this video, or you can contact us through our website. Now, if you are not really sure if Kajabi is for you just yet, there's really no pressure from me here. You can go check out the next video on your screen where you can learn more about the Foundations First framework that we teach in our boot camps and that need to be set up for every new Kajabi account before you start selling. I'll see you over there.